Hello everyone, how are you today? I have the Renau Kristen on, and it is in the color, their new color, Glacier. It is a beautiful blue, but maybe you noticed it has a lot of shine to it. And some of you might not like that as much, so we have a solution. Renau has their new product, Pick Me Up, and it's a dry shampoo. Today we're going to show you how to use it and eliminate some of the shine. So the first step is we're going to select a section of hair, and then you want to spray it about 4 to 6 inches away. And then just keep selecting another section and spray it mostly around the root. The more you spray around the root, the more volume you'll get. And then you slowly massage it in at the top, kind of work it down. And you can use as much as you want to. If you want to eliminate more shine, just add more and then work it down from the root. All right, as you can see, it is eliminating a lot of the shine. I have not done anything on the right side. And you just want to massage it in on the roots, and then when you're finished, you can just comb everything out. And there you have it, the Renau Pick Me Up Dry Shampoo.